Most people waste hours every day doing things AI can do in seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that will literally save you 10 hours every week. And the best part? You can start using all of them today. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This is your AI assistant for literally everything. Writing emails, answering questions, planning your day. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing an email, type your idea and ChatGPT writes it in 5 seconds. Watch this. See that? Done in seconds. This alone saves most people 1 to 2 hours every single day. Tool number 2, Claude. This is another AI chatbot, but it's better for longer documents and thinking through complex problems. If you need to analyze something, summarize a long article, or think through a decision, Claude handles this better than most tools. And it's completely free to start. See that? Done in seconds. This alone saves most people 1 to 2 hours every single day. Tool number 3, Canva AI. You no longer need a designer. Canva now has built an AI that generates social media posts, presentations, and thumbnails for you in minutes. Just type what you want, and it builds it. See how fast that was? I got a professional design in under 60 seconds. This saves creators and business owners hours every week. Tool number 4, Google Gemini. This is Google's AI and it's powerful because it's connected to the internet in real time. So if you ask it something happening right now, it knows. It's also built into Google Docs and Gmail, so you can use AI right inside your email. No more staring at a blank screen. AI writes the first draft, you just review it. And tool number 5, Notion AI. If you use Notion for notes or planning, the AI inside it is a game changer. It can write your notes, organize your tasks, and even create entire project plans for you just by describing what you need. What would take you an entire afternoon to plan just got done in 30 seconds. That's the power of AI tools. So there you have it, 5 free AI tools that will genuinely save you hours every single week. Start with just one today. Even if you only use ChatGPT, you'll notice a difference immediately. If this video helped you, subscribe. Every week I share simple AI tools and tutorials that actually work.